should we play with? Spins and lifts for the wooden balls and the tube. I got it. Drop the ball inside. Set it up, all the way up. Belle, do it. You can do it, Belle. You can do it. All the way up, Belle. Oh, did you see? The ball went round and round. A roller coaster ride. You did it, Belle. Look, this ball is spinning. Up and down. Wow, another ball. Green ball this time, Belle. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, wow. Where did it go? Wow. Oh, you have to collect 8 balls here. One more. Collect 8 balls. Something will happen with the rabbit. What is the rabbit going to do? Oh, 3 balls. We need 8 balls. Can you do it? All right. Watch carefully. Look what happens when the ball drops and we collect 8 balls. Is it fun? It's not stuck. It's supposed to lower. There you go. Bowling alley. Are you ready? I'm gonna show you one. You want to put the kitten down? The kitten will watch, right? Pull it, not throw it. You're supposed to roll it. Wow, but then you scored one pin. Oh yeah, spare. No, spare. Your turn. Wow, 1 pin down. You're getting better and better. Aww, 2 pins this time. Wow, you're improving, Belle. You have to wait till the light is up. Is that cheating? Your turn. You're done? But you have 4 more rounds, Belle. Are you done? That's the end of the game. We did it. High five. Oh, yeah. Are you ready? Oh, yeah. Are you done? Oh, there's so much to play. Oh, there's a slide coming down here. Belle, this way. Come here. You know, we're going to sit on that. It's like a swing. And we're going to swing all the way to the other side. And we'll go down the slide. Wow, the gate opens, Belle. 是种慢的，这很快耶。Tandy, are you not scared? I'm super scared. 脚很空耶。Your very first roller coaster, baby. Whoa. Is it fun? Is it fun? 特小。It's fun. Okay, I gotta take it off. Wow, is it fun? Want to do it again? Come down. We'll do it again. You don't want to do it again. Okay, we slide down. Go down the slide first. Oh, that looks so much fun, Belle. Wow, that is a very fast slide. I'm coming.
What's that?
Which one?
And that's that.
This is a monster labar slot machiner. Okay, pull the lever. Pull it. What's going to happen? Oh, what happens? 推到底，再往后拉，送向轨道。Oh, boing! Did you see it? It bounced. Oh, it's bouncing, Belle. You want to do it again? Okay, pull the lever one more time. Watch it bounce. Oh, there. Coming down. Boing. Where did it go? Did it drop off? Whoops. Did we break it? The ball dropped out. What do we do with this? Oh, there you go. It's not supposed to be stuck. Tick tock. Oh, Belle, look. The Ferris wheel. Yeah, I failed. Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it? Put a ball inside and step on it. Ooh, nice shot, Belle. Nice shot. Oh, she succeeded the very first try. I look stupid. Where are you going? What's this one? Oh, I know. You pick one of the wooden toys, you put it inside, and then you boing. Oops, I missed. Oh! Ah. A Coke. Feed the fish some Coke. Feed the fish Coke. A Coke because there's a shape. It's actually harder. Oh no, too far. Ice cream. Oh no. Lighter. Tomato. Almost there. Too far. I gave up again. If it's too hard, she just gives up. Oh, I got the hamburger. Oh yeah. No. Okay. Oh what? Oh no. The lighter ones are hard. Oh, it wasn't your first shot? You got it. What was it? What did you feed the fish? What was it? The avocado?
Avocado.
Oh, you fed the fish avocado. I couldn't do it. Let me try avocado. Where's the avocado? Oh, thank you, Belle. Okay, let me try avocado. Oh, I couldn't get it. How did you do it? Show me again. That's too far. You're so strong, Belle. You're so strong. I'll try again. I'll do milk. Wow, so far, Belle. Oh, avocado flies so far. I like the hamburger. The hamburger seems to be easiest to control. Yes. Oh, the 3 horses come in different sizes. I'm on the weight limit 80 kilograms. So, that's right. Yeehaw! Oh, help me spin. That's right. Spinning round and round. Where's Belle? Here you go. Whee! Oh, so dizzy. Okay, I'm really dizzy. Oh, dizzy. I think I'm dead. I can't get up. So dizzy. Push the button. Push the blue button. Shoot. Aim, shoot. Oh, yeah, you got it. Did you get it? You have to choose one. Which one do you want to aim? Which one? The green one? Okay, the green one. Sure. Oh, nice shot. We did it, Joe. We did it. Okay, try to shoot it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Pink. Oh, yeah. They all make different sounds. I'm going to hit the guy at the very back. He looks like the boss. Oh, yeah. Why are they laughing? They're not afraid of being hit. Every time they get hit, they would always stand up. Ha, and laugh it off. It looks so funny. What is she doing? Oh, we went the ball bounced out again. How did you get the ball so far? You don't know how to? Aww. You can do it. Aim, Belle. Look, Belle, you make sure the cannon is forming a straight line to your target. Okay? Now try to shoot. We got it! I'm so good at this.
Why they will laugh?
They do. They laugh because they're not afraid. Cross the bridge. Did you like it? You did? That sounds good. It's shaky. Just hold on to the rope. Move your legs. You can do it, Belle. That's right. Balance. Both feet. It's less slippery if you don't have socks on. Okay, leave your socks. Arm, hands to the next row. That's right. One step at a time. And then arms. Yes, that's right. And then you're here. It's fun, isn't it? Oh, this is where you can come in and do a pillow fight. Do you know how to do pillow fights?
Yeah.
This is pillow fight. You have to hit my pillow. You have to stand up and hit my pillow. I'm not helping you. We're fighting each other. Pillow fight. That's how it works. Pillow fight. Stand up. Soldier, stand up. Stand up and fight. This is it. Can. What's ahead? I'm so tired. Okay, go down the slide.
Mommy.
Yes? I think I have to turn off the stream. Okay, say goodbye. See you again, stream.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, hug. Oh, what a hug. Bye-bye. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following.
Thank you for watching. Please support by following, subscribing or your donations. Less than 3.